Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel demonstrating china. We're currently listing, and this little Cape plate dates probably from the 1920s or 1930s. It's in very fine condition considering that. Just look at the gilt detailing they've put around these little eared handles. Not particularly much in the way of moulding detail on it. A flat plate surface. Very nice clean glaze, as you can see. Just look at that reflection of the light coming off that. Not a knife mark on it at all. Made by Maddox. There you go. Classic Maddox banner and lion marks with England. Little decorator's gilt mark there. And again, the undersurface of this plate in very fine condition. Slightly sloping rims, as you can see, up to the outer borders, which are plain. No scalloping or detailing again on those. And the gilt, as I mentioned earlier, in very fine condition. Maddox made a lot of Indian tree design china during this period. We've got almost a complete tea set, including the teapot, which is a very sort of stylised 1930s snub-spouted job. And that shape and the wasting on the teacups and other sort of non-flatware pieces was really picked up and accentuates the era in which this was being produced. A nice rendition of Indian tree, good colour palettes, nice sort of ranges of greens and the pinks on the flower buds, and particularly around the rim decoration block transfer pattern design. And then with the almost Greek key, isn't it? Sort of Egyptian-esque. How do you describe that? Chinoise, really, isn't it? Well, I don't know where I got the Egyptian-esque from. More chinoise in terms of this imperial blockwork that they've used to delineate the inner and outer rim detailing. So a very clean, nice period sandwich plate, Cape plate. Use it as you will. Makes a lovely display piece in fine condition. 1920s, 1930s Maddock Indian tree. We'll pop a link description below, which will take you through to the website listing for this particular Cape plate. Thanks for watching.